How to convert GGives to cash using PayPal. So direct conversion of GGives to PayPal is not possible because GGives is a promotional credit card tied to GLoan. So here's what you can do instead. You can convert GGives into GLoan credit via a purchase. So by using GGives to pay off your cover, your Shopee or partner purchases, then you can convert it into a GLoan credit which can move to your GCash wallet. Then you can transfer the funds to your GCash wallet. So once it becomes GLoan, credit, you can transfer it into your GCash account officially. Then you can cash in that to PayPal from GCash. So if you have a verified Philippine-based PayPal and GCash accounts under the same name and email, you can link them and transfer funds from GCash to PayPal and vice versa. Although, if you want to withdraw PayPal funds because you want to transfer it from your GCash, you can just directly use PayPal funds and just withdraw it using your ATM card. However, you can also just do directly using your GCash. If you have a GCash card, you can just directly withdraw the cash itself, and you don't have to use PayPal in order to withdraw that cash. But if your money is in your PayPal, you can just link it directly from your GCash and then send your money from PayPal to GCash and withdraw it from GCash itself. And that's how you can convert GGives to cash using PayPal.